Hi all, welcome to this another video session on Angular series. तो हम लोग Angular series में क्या कर रहे थे? What we were doing, like we were creating our Angular application. We created our Angular application and we also covered upon like how we can fix the npm dependency issues. That is only in the node when you are using the node. If you're using a yarn, you might not face that issue. Okay. So in this today's video, we will be covering upon like how we can upgrade our package from what you can say like 13 Angular version to Angular 14, because at the time we shooted that video like we were using the Angular 13, we will be upgrading to the Angular 14. Okay, so what I am going to do, let's open this. I already opened in my VS Code. I have to type. Let's go with ng minus version. I think so. This should show the desired output. Like, yeah, Angular CLI it's showing, and you can see here I will be getting the Angular version as well. I have Angular 13 version, so I have to upgrade to Angular 14. Let's do this. Let's open this. What you can say like this. Like side of Angular, we are upgrading to Angular 13 to Angular 14, and we have some you can say the Angular material as well. So what I will be doing here, I don't need Angular material for now. I think I don't use Angular material. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to write ng update this one. Let's follow this method. By the way, I am using Angular what you can say like Node 18 version. I think Node 18 version only it's required. It's 14 and above, so I will be updating to 18.4 soon. What I am doing here, I am running this command Control V, and let me close the my what you can say like okay, I was saying like we are upgrading to Angular 14, like, and I don't think like we needed this. Like we can directly what we can do, like we can remove our application and do that, because in our application there was nothing, like it was just a blank application. I will show you like again like how we can create an Angular application. That's not anything. Like we are upgrading. Let's while it's going on, let's do check something up. Like you can use Angular uses now 4.6 TypeScript. Make sure you are using this 14.5 that we have. Like for models now require a generic type. For gradual migration you can opt using the updated version of the form model. Okay. Remove AOT summaries from test suite since Angular no longer needs them in IVIY. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have updated the application. Again I will be creating one more application, and I will show you what are the differences in that, like from scratch. Remove now now will take the first intended value of the river, and after that proceed to navigation to better align with other guards. Okay. Update initial navigation enabled to initial enable blocking. This thing I have to do. If you are defining routes with patch match, you have to cast it to route or routes explicitly. Routing and everything we are going to cover. Everything we are going to cover in this series. Like so, we are creating our gym management system. Somewhere everything we will be covering, like be it routing, how we can work with uh, backend, everything we will be covering here, so you don't have to worry on upon like. And this will be available in multilingual, I think so the videos, I think my here. Okay, now it's fine. I was saying the videos will be available in multilingual, so you can watch the videos in either Hindi or English, like. Okay, implementing animation driver now requires a get parameter element kind of stuff. Invalid routing of lazy routing model will not throw an error kind of stuff. So most of the things have been changed now. We will be working on that, updated too. So I think like we have to commit anything. Get his thing, like what is thing repository not clean. Please commit or stage any changes before updating. Okay, okay. I think Git is there. Let me remove this Git folder by default. I have this Git folder. I'm removing this Git folder. And let me try it again and see what's happening here. Okay. Let me zoom a bit. My image as well. My image has become too small. You can say like. I think this is fine. Okay. So we are updating these things, and what we are going to do like in this series. Like let's talk about that as well in this video. Like I know like this video is getting a bit long, but let's talk about that as well. As most of you like commented below like we let's cover this with material UI. Material UI should be used as CSS framework. So we will be using material UI. Personally, I feel like Talent CSS and or Bootstrap might be a better option. But we are free to use material UI as well, as everyone's most of majority told like we should go with material UI, so we will be covering material UI. Second thing, like most of the people are saying like let's go cover some like SP on a core as well, like with the backend we can use it. Minority told like let's cover Node.js with this. So this time I'm going with the minority one. Minority, like we will be covering Node.js like mean stack in this tutorial. So I've already covered ASP.NET Core in most of the series, like be it we Solo series, be it we React series. We are soon covering with starting with our ASP.NET Core web application as well. So and .NET framework also, like we already covered, like it's almost same. .NET Core and .NET framework is almost same. So we are not going to cover again .NET Core here. We are going to cover here Node.js. So we will be working with MongoDB and these things, and you guys are like it will be very helpful for you all as well. And CSS, like we will be covering material UI as well as we will be using Tailwind CSS also. Like can we use different CSS framework at once? In an application, yeah, you can use it, but if you have the same classes, then ambiguity may occur. Like for example, I'm using a Tailwind CSS and I'm using Bootstrap. So some classes are same. So in that case, ambiguity may occur. So we don't prefer like going with Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap at the same time. Yeah, if you are using Tailwind CSS, you can surely use Material UI, because Material UI classes are slowly very much different. Like they use mat tab and these things. Like okay, so we have updated the package version. Okay, I think like it's now updated to Angular 14. It's running. Like let's wait for some time. Like I will be pausing the video and get it back. Okay, let me pause. See the version. Like now the versions are upgraded. Like we have some Angular 14 is available, and we have some RJX version, and these things are already there. Node, CLI, everything is there. Look, we will be running the application and we will be seeing what are the changes need to be done before being updated. Let's it's taking a bit time. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait for a while. Okay, by the time like it's doing. It's initializing packages. Like I press enter key like 2 times. Like it's trying. Sometimes like what happened, like it get stuck. So we have to like press the enter key. You might be seeing like I'm not facing the camera, like because I've pointed the camera in such a way like my face cam is there, and my laptop also don't get shut down, like because I'm cooling it with the air cooler so that it does not get shut down in between the video recording, like because it's very problematic, like when we are recording and sometimes like laptop gets shut down and all the recording is being lost. So it happened with me frequently. So that's the reason I found a fix. Like by the time like I'm not buying a new laptop, I will follow this fix. So face to face, like you might be wondering like my face camera is in different direction and I'm facing something else direction. Okay, so because I have to see the laptop as well. It's installing packages, like it's taking a bit time, like say like okay, let's wait for a while, like it's working. Okay, I'm back. So just we updated the package and now it's showing like, let me see what's there. As of Angular 13, entry compares are no longer supported. Angular 14, the patch match property of routes was this is the things like which is already there in the site, like it's there. Remove packaged files from library process, updated compiler. Let me run this. Before that, what are the changes we have to do? One changes we have to do, like initial navigation enabled to initial navigation in IVY. Okay, I have to do IVY. Where's this IVY? I have this IVY. I remember I have seen this many times. Okay, polyfish.tsa. What thing, like let's run this application and this serve minus other. Oh, let me see. Like I think some of the packages error are also there. No, I don't want to share the analytics. I think npm I also like have to do because something I think something went wrong like by updating the packages. If you are facing so many like this package is not installed properly, you have to go with and use npm I. npm I will be installing all your broken packages like once again. And if you are downloading any course or any source code from anywhere, there also like you have to use the npmi will install all the packages. It's compiled successfully. Let's see it's running or not. Have this high mb is shown here. By the way, this is working fine, but the only thing I'm wondering like this is showing a exception here. Why is this showing exception? Like this exception cannot find name document. Did you mean document? What the
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा होता है ये
can't find a name document. Is it with every module? Like everything everywhere like it's index or HTML also like. Okay, we are done with the upgrade, and one more thing like we have to do like here. Let's see the version as well. ng minus minus version will show us the version of the Angular. By the way, I think I didn't installed ng version. Is not the version. I think minus minus v I don't have to do directly ng version. I think I have to do. Okay, Angular CLI is showing, and I think like it will be showing. Yeah, it's updated to Angular 14, unsupported. Node 18.0 is unsupported. And this is weird. I think it's showing like Node 18.0 is unsupported. What? Because it's mentioned here in this side. Like by the way, it's working fine. But it's Node 14.5, 15 or later. Like I'm using the 18 version. I will be upgrading to 18.4 soon. By the way, like this video was a small video like how we can upgrade the application to Angular 14. I will meet you in some other video where I will be explaining some other concept. Till then, bye everyone.